What if I told you that a simple digital file sitting on your computer could become a stream of passive income? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money selling zip files on Etsy. This is a beginner-friendly guide, so even if you've never sold anything online before, you can follow along and start building your own digital side hustle. Etsy isn't just for handmade crafts or jewelry anymore. In 2025, digital products are one of the fastest growing categories on the platform, and zip files are the easiest way to sell them. Think of a zip file like a digital bundle. It could be a set of templates, digital art, wallpapers, social media graphics, planners, or even ebooks. Instead of uploading 20 different files one by one, you can compress them into one neat zip folder. Buyers love this because they get everything in one download, and you love it because it's faster and more organized. The first step is figuring out what kind of digital product to sell. Here are some hot niches: wallpapers for phones, laptops, or desktops, Canva templates for resumes, Instagram posts or business cards, planners and printables, daily, weekly, budget, or fitness, stock photos, or AI-generated art packs. The key is to pick a category that solves a problem or fulfills a desire. For example, busy people want planners. Content creators need templates. Everyone wants aesthetic wallpapers. You don't need to be a professional designer to create something people will buy. You can use free or low-cost tools like Canva, Photoshop, or AI design platforms to create your files. Once you've made them, just put them all into a single folder and zip it. That becomes your product. For example, if you're making a 30-day meal planner, you could design 30 pages in Canva, export them as PDFs, then zip them into one folder called 30-Day Meal Planner Bundle. Now it's time to sell. Setting up a digital product on Etsy is super beginner-friendly. Create your Etsy seller account. Go to Add a Listing. Upload your preview images. These are super important because visuals sell. Show people what's inside your zip file. Under Digital Product, upload your zip file. Write an SEO-friendly title and description using keywords people are searching for. Example: Aesthetic iPhone Wallpapers Pack, 50 digital backgrounds in zip file. Price your product. Most digital zip files sell between $3 and $15 depending on the value. Etsy brings you traffic because it's already a huge marketplace, but you'll make way more sales if you promote your shop. Share your listings on Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest. These platforms love visual content, and digital products fit perfectly. You can also run inexpensive Etsy ads to boost your listings to the top of search results. Even $2 to $5 a day can help you get discovered faster. Here's the best part. Once your zip file is uploaded, you don't have to do anything else. There's no inventory, no shipping, no packaging. Customers pay, Etsy delivers the download automatically, and you keep the profit. That's what makes this one of the best beginner side hustles. If you browse Etsy right now, you'll see thousands of shops selling digital bundles, packs of 100 stock photos for $9.99, wedding invitation templates in zip files for $12, digital planner bundles selling for $20 and up. Many of these shops make hundreds, even thousands of sales each month. And the beauty is, you only have to create the product once, then you sell it over and over again. So if you've been looking for a side hustle that's simple, beginner-friendly, and can make you money while you sleep, this is it. Start with one zip file, upload it to Etsy, and watch your digital shop grow.